In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Wise to Chase Bank. Step 1. Gather Chase Bank details. Obtain recipient's Chase account number, routing number, and full name. Step 2. Log into Wise. Open the Wise app or website and sign into your account with your account credentials. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 3. Initiate a new transfer. Click Send Money, then enter the amount and currency to send. Step 4. Add Chase Bank account as a recipient. Enter the Chase Bank details collected and then save the recipient. This makes it easier for later use. Step 5. Review and confirm transfer details. Check recipient info, transfer amount, fees, exchange rate, and estimated delivery time. Step 6. Choose payment method. Select your payment source. This can be Wise Balance, card, or linked bank account. Then authorize and complete the transfer. Step 7. Track your transfer status. Monitor the transfer status in Wise until funds reach your Chase account, usually 1 to 3 business days. Now I have some tips for Wise to Chase transfers. Double check all account details, routing numbers, and recipient name. For large transfers, keep an eye on Wise and Chase notifications. And contact Wise or Chase support to help if there's an issue. And that's how you send money from Wise to Chase Bank. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.